Hello brosies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to replace the sensor of the fuel pedal coming from here. As you can see, I've actually removed it. There were actually two bolts, one on top, one down there. So it's just a small screw, small bolts to do that, and also the sensor, which is this one here, this one here, that one, just this disconnected after you remove that. And I'll show you this one here. This is the pedal that I've just removed it, and I'm going to replace the sensor. The reason why I want to do that is because this one, it's not kicking me properly when I accelerated. It goes to first gear, but it's getting hard going to the second gear. So I suspect this is the problem. There's no code that's showing up under this kind of trouble or problem that you have. This car is actually a Skyline, as you can see. Skyline, Nissan Skyline V35, and it's 2003. It's a 3.5 liter. So if you have this kind of problem on your vehicle, it might be this the problem. Okay, so I bought this new one. So I bought this new one, as you can see. So now we're going to find out if they are exactly the same. Here it is. I hope they have the same one. That's what it looks like. So we'll see if same. That looks the same for me, to me. Yeah, look, see, it looks the same to me. You look at properly. They look the same. They look the same to me. You see, they look the same to me. And if we look at the connection, this got 6 pin, and this one also has got 6 pin. And now let's try and to remove it and find out. Okay. So all you need is to remove this one and this one. This one didn't come with a bolt. So let's see. Okay, let me just in the okay. So you need to put it in the right spot. Wasn't actually moving, but thing is, this one sort of like when you accelerate, see how it's done it, so come up like that. Yeah, and just you can see if you do that, You look at that. Okay, so let's see if this one, maybe this is the problem. Okay, we'll check it out. Looks like this one is being it's actually welded, so we just need to remove from this side. Okay, see if you can see that. You see that? You see it? Put this one here. This is a new one. So now we're going to put this one here. See, looks like this one here. I think they're the same. Okay. So we just have to follow this. See that? We need to put some. Need to put Okay, now we need to put this one, just to make sure that and the other one too. This small one doesn't have to be thick. Let's see. Okay. Just need to tie it properly. See if this one moves. No, doesn't move. So just need to tie it. There you go. Tight as we can. Okay. Now we'll check it out. Check it out. Okay. Okay, now we're going to install it. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but I need to put this one first. This one that's connected here. Let's see. Okay. We need to put the thread lock. We need to put a thread lock on it. There you go. We need to put a thread lock. And also the other one with a thread lock on it. Okay. 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 Have we done that? Okay. Okay, let me just now let's try to start it. We need to tighten it up. Tighten it up properly. Looks like it's tight. Yeah, it looks like it's tight on it. Now we're gonna do a test drive. Do a test drive and find out. Okay? So now let's put it back. The negative. And let's do a test drive. Okay, so now we're going to start it. Okay, now we're going to do a test drive. Okay, looks like it's okay. I'll show you. Looks like it's okay to me. Look at that, it's 289,000 kilometers. There's no code. The door is open, so we're just gonna close that. Okay, close. Don't have a seat belt, and it's on park. As you can see, there's no codes coming out. Okay, but the problem with this one is when we accelerated, when we start and try to move the car on the second gear, it's not actually kicking properly. It delayed. So I suspect the pedal sensor is the one that's doing it. So now let's going to try and do the test drive. Okay, let me just open the gate and we'll go out, and then after I'll let you know. Okay, Bruces, now we're testing it. Woo! It goes straight to second gear. That's what it is. That's what's supposed to do. And we go around, back again, find out. Oops. Hard to when you are holding one hand. Oh, it's not hard anymore. It's now go straight to second gear. Well done.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so.
If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?